Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your GMC Sierra key fob battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are quite small and can be easily misplaced. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob case should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to open it without damaging the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Now, take your new battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Make sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated before pressing the halves together. You should hear a satisfying click as they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.